let's jump into step 1. And that is just to simply unbox the machine, okay? I've actually heard in a lot of Facebook groups that people have bought machines and never opened them, or like not taking them out of the box, which I get it. I get that it's overwhelming and you're not sure what's gonna happen or if you're gonna break it. I get it, but please take a deep breath with me. If this is you and you have never unboxed your machine, please pause this, go get your machine and unbox it with me, okay? I promise it's not as scary as it seems, and I will be with you every step of the way. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, inside our box, we found the machine itself, the first thing. The second thing is the accessories, okay? The third thing is the foot pedal, okay? Now these foot pedals honestly look the exact same for every machine. If yours looks different, it's okay, but I'm pretty sure it'll look just like this. Okay, so you should have a pedal. Okay, it's a gray pedal like this. And then this is actually a little bit interesting because if I unwrap this, so you have the foot pedal like I was just talking about. Now, if we follow this cable, you see it, the foot pedal has a cable attached to it. If I follow this, okay, we come to this weird chunk, okay? Now, this is what's actually going to plug into our sewing machine. And then from the plug, if we keep going along, all the way to the end, this is what we're going to plug into the wall. So this is our power cable. Okay, so our power cable and our foot pedal are all one long system. Okay, and the last thing you'll find in your machine is the manual. Okay, now I know I'm guilty of this too, is that once I get a new piece of equipment, whether it's a TV, a printer, phone, whatever it may be, I never read the manual. This goes in the box that it came in, I put it away, throw it away, the end. Do not do that, okay? We are going to be using this manual a lot, especially during this phase of getting to know your machine, but even later on, you may come back to it for reference. So this is one of the few things you actually need to keep your manual, so make sure you have it, okay? So, guys, that's it. Honestly, those are the 5 things that you're going to find inside the box. That's it. Like, it's not so crazy. So, if you've been scared of opening that box, if you've been scared of getting started, let this be an example of how easy this is, okay? Honestly, that took like what, 5 minutes? Not that long? And I was explaining stuff, so it'll be even faster for you. So once we have the machine out of the box, that is the first box on the list. Oops, sorry, I keep getting that mixed up. So here's step 1. Then take everything out of the box. Done. Step 2, find the manual, because as I said, that's very, very important. And then step 3, we're going to check for included parts. Now, I'm going to show you a trick for this middle part here, to find the manual, and then it'll lead us right into this third part.